Yeah,
Look at his feet.
yeah. Two up, two down.
Look at his feet.
Hey. Yeah, yeah.
Yo, what's up, y'all? I'm tired, man. Had a long week. Having a long week. On my way out to work right now. And I got a package I want to share with y'all. You know what? Let me go ahead and crack this open before I even pull off. Alright. Before I even pull off, let me crack this open. I know what it is. I just want to share with y'all. You know, before I was like, man, I really didn't want to get this because like the original is just so good to me and I didn't want it to disappoint. Alright. Bam, y'all see what it is. Bam. Looks nice, nice packaging. Nice box. Alright, real quick, let me crack it open real quick. I can't go all the way to work and work a whole shift without and knowing this is in the car. I can't do it. Yeah, when I was on my way out to work, this was at the door. I'm like, man, thank goodness it came early. So they must have knocked at the door while I was asleep. I'm like, man, come on, man. Y'all can have harder than that. Beautiful, beautiful. Gorgeous thing, man. Alright. Like they said, it's about the same size as the regular, but it does seem smaller. Beautiful machine. One question I had is, is this blade the same as the corded version? No one's really answered that. I don't know. Oh, it's not that loud. It needs to charge. Fresh out the box, it is not charged. Yeah, like, yeah, it's not loud. That's not loud like people said. That was another thing that made me not really anxious to get this. Is, you know, I wasn't trying to pay $250 or whatever to get some kind of lawnmower engine clipper. You know, people was talking about how loud it was. It's got the stand. Beautiful. I like that. Look like a trophy. I want me a Grammy. Alright. So that's nice. Everything is good. Everything is in the package. Let's look and see if we got any accessories. You know, I've seen so many people unbox this. I pretty much know what's in it, and it is nothing but I guess the charger cord is in that box right here. Alright, get your little documentation and instruction manual. Yeah, nothing is in this box except for your charging cord and a tube of oil. So there you have it, man. That's the Cordless Master Cordless.
Yeah.
Look at his feet.